Alrighty guys, we are out the gate and rolling. Probably gonna be getting home right about 6 p.m. Gotta stop for fuel yet. But what I might do is park my truck right near where I gotta deliver in Oneonta, which I only live about 20 miles away. Let me roll up this window. So I live about 20 miles away from the store I'm delivering to. I might park right there so that I can get a 34 in. And my better half can come down and pick me up. And she wants to go to the movies tonight, so maybe she can come down and get me, and the movies are right there. We can go to the movies and then go on home. And then she can drop me off early Monday morning at the truck. This way I can get a legal 34 hours off in. So if I go home, if I don't get home till 6, then I can't move the truck again until, what would it be? I get home 6 o'clock Saturday, Sunday, so 4 a.m. on Monday. My delivery's at 11. I really don't want to start my day though until around 11, because Monday night we got to make it up to Rochester. So if I start too early in the morning, I might run out of time. You know, if I get down here and the load isn't ready, or whatever the case may be, I may run out of time. So, but by doing it that way, if I park my truck right where I'm delivering, I really don't have to go on the clock until I break the seal on the trailer. So until they break the seal on the trailer, and I got to move the truck and back in. That might be what I end up doing. We'll see. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Appreciate you coming by the Trucker John Show. Hope you can come back again next time, which would be Monday. I think will be my next video. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and think about subscribing. Okay, everybody take care now. We'll see you later.